What's the meaning of beleaguered? Beleaguered. Beleaguered.
Beleaguered. Beleaguered. Beleaguered is an adjective that describes a person, organization, or entity that is experiencing constant difficulty and pressure. The word has its roots in the Dutch language, where it originally referred to the act of besieging a city or fortress. In contemporary usage, it has come to suggest a state of being under siege from external or internal forces, such as financial troubles, political opposition, or personal problems. A beleaguered individual may feel overwhelmed and helpless against the challenges they face, and may require support, guidance, or resources to overcome their difficulties and regain a sense of stability and control.